Hello, ETF fans. This is Will Smith with ETF Action. Today is October 17th, 2024. And for today's video insight, I'm going to utilize the league tables dashboard and the ETF database to identify the 10 Vanguard ETFs with the highest net inflows over the past month. And then from there, I'm going to build an equally weighted model portfolio using those 10 ETFs. I'm going to keep this video very short in order to showcase how easy this process is on the ETF Action platform. So from the league tables, I can see here Vanguard has 86 ETFs with nearly $3 trillion in AUM. I'm going to focus just on Vanguard ETFs. So I'm going to click on the Vanguard link, which is going to open up the ETF Database and selects only those 86 Vanguard ETFs. From here, I'm going to select the Fund Flows drop down. And from there, we can see flows across these set time periods. I'm going to focus on just the past month of flows. So I'm going to sort just for insight. I'm going to see here that long-term treasury and intermediate term corporate bond, their ETFs have seen the largest net outflows. I'm going to focus on the 10 ETFs with the largest net inflows. So I'm going to select these 10 ETFs. To save us some time, I have already built out our upload file that we're going to use for our model, our equally weighted Vanguard model. But in a series of about 3 clicks, I've already identified the top 10 Vanguard ETFs that have seen the largest net inflows. From there, I'm going to head to my model tools and then the model builder to build our model. From here, I'm going to select our model as our model type. Model name is going to be Vanguard Equal Weight Flows Based. I'm going to set our rebalance frequency to quarterly. And then our benchmark, I'm going to select one of the ETF Action Global Core benchmarks, the 50/50. And here, these are our settings and other parameters. Again, I'm going to skip this phase because I can't change these after the fact from the model manager page. So just these 4 fields are required. Fill those in. So I'm going to press next. Here we can either type in those 10 tickers using this search box, or as I've done, I'm going to upload a CSV. So I can see we've got our Vanguard equally weighted. I'm going to press upload, and boom, we've got those 10 ETFs that saw the largest net inflows over the past month for Vanguard, equally weighted. We can see here that my inception date of this model is going to be June 4th of 2013 because that is the latest inception date, which is BNDX. So everything looks good on the upload. I'm going to press submit. And boom, our model is created. So that took us under 3 minutes to identify the 10 ETFs for Vanguard that have seen the largest net inflows over the past month and build a model portfolio. So now I'm able to quickly analyze performance since inception relative to a set, any benchmarks that I have created or that I have access to. Those can be ETFs, mutual funds, or model portfolios. Can analyze risk, composition, etc. at the equity and fixed income levels. And I can also quickly run several out-of-the-box model reports that I have access to from the ETF Action Model Marketplace. So just as a recap, I use the league tables dashboard in order to find and sort just Vanguard ETFs. By clicking that link, it's going to take me to the ETF database. And from there, I went to the fund flows and sorted by 1 month flows. Very important to note here that the ETF Action suite of data is extremely extensive, and we can sort, filter, and analyze all the way down to even our equity-derived analytics, which are going to break down by stock and sector concentration, yield, quality, value, growth, and momentum ratings, as well as fixed income derived analytics So extremely powerful to mix and match and sift through all of the ETFs available on the marketplace. We're going to build a few different models using these select derived analytics in later videos. But again, we hope you enjoyed today's video insight. Tried to keep it very short in order to showcase just how easy it is to find holdings and build a model portfolio on the ETF Action platform. We hope you enjoyed today's video insight, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or would like to schedule a demo with the team. Just please email us at team@etfaction.com. Thank you.